It's another extra rice experience here on Channel 1. It is Patani Guisado or Butter Beans Stew. Our mainstays are delighted, and I'm sure you too will be. We're still months away from this year's harvest, that's why we're cooking canned beans and frozen leafy vegetables from last year's harvest. Join me here on Channel 1 for some learning and fun. And welcome to my place. It's a place where we grow, cook, and share. Hello, welcome back. It's been a while. Welcome to Channel 1. Your Kuya and Uncle here, Romilo. Today we're cooking vegetables. It's patani and frozen ampalaya. Yes, we're still beginning to rebuild the garden and renovate the shed. So cooking fresh ampalaya and other veggies is still a few months away. What are we cooking today? It's stewed patani with ampalaya leaves or gisadong ampalaya with dahon ng ampalaya. Patani gisado nga adda ti bulong ti Paryana. But the twist is, this might surprise most of you, I'll be using frozen leafy vegetables and canned patani. The earlier part of the procedure and the ingredients I have already done, so let's rewind a bit to show you. I added more oil for more flavor. Let's add the onions. Nothing difficult here, it's just onions and later the garlic. Now let's add something at this point. Perhaps you haven't seen before. I'm adding patis. The reason is I'd like to infuse the patis flavor in the oil and later again in the water. This will do wonders, believe me. Tip number 1, add patis during the stir fry. I added the water now because the patani and the ampalaya leaves are pre-cooked, so I just like to soften the pork. I boiled this for more than 20 minutes to soften the pork liempo. You know, it's tasty when the fat, when the liempo melts in your mouth like butter. That's the texture you want to attain. That's the reason. We now add the Lima beans. They are canned. If they are not available in your standard grocery stores, try the Mediterranean. I bought them at the Turkish grocery. If you're finding the instructional as well as the entertainment value of this video, don't forget to subscribe. You might be wondering what's this. Let's remove this. That was the label. Now we can do a short show and tell. I hope this will excite you and this will inspire you to freeze leafy vegetables. What I have in here, what are these? These are ampalaya, frozen ampalaya leaves. Look, they have been apportioned to serve each cooking or each recipe. Look at that. Next, and these are chile, also a portion. Chili leaves or dahon ng sili for tinola. When I'm asked by my friends, foreign friends, what does chicken soup taste like when added with chili leaves, I tell them it's a better alternative to spinach. You have the taste, texture in spinach and the flavor of parsley. What else? So these are my most important, the two, Ampalaya and tinola. To my surprise, I still have frozen Ampalaya for my peanut butter later. So I hope you've been inspired to grow, freeze, and cook later and share. I will just be using one because harvest season is still far, so I'll budget my abasto for the next month before harvest season. Quick, let's return this to the freezer. By the way, I made a tutorial on how to freeze leafy vegetables. There's a link provided on the screen and in the description box. Look at that. It's time to add the frozen Ampalaya. It's a proven method, add it frozen. With the ice. Yes, call it Ampalaya con hielo if you will. I will also add patis now to flavor according to taste. Notice that I did this twice with the oil and now with the sauce. On the oil and on the sauce, I should say. I think we're done. We can bring this to the garden later. Welcome back. We are at my Man and Grace shed now, and our Patani butter beans stew is now warming up for our lunch at the garden. And it's serving time. We don't call this plating, simply serving. It's guaranteed. Our companions here, the mainstays, are happy. It's a small festival. Life can be simple but pleasurable. I hope you've been inspired to grow, cook and share. And if you found the entertainment as well the instructional value of this film, don't forget to subscribe. I'd like to see you again in the next video here on Channel 1. Thank you for watching.